apps that can bring extra cash for you, there are apps that can truly make you money, despite the fact that the idea seems too good to be true. You won't become filthy rich using these applications, but you can make enough money to cover your monthly mobile phone bill or earn some nice pocket money with them. There are many different types of applications that can help you make money, such as market research apps, mobile advertising apps, and sharing economy apps. You can download one or more of these apps onto your smartphone so that you can use them when you are commuting or when you have some free time. In the end, every single dollar matters. It is important to bear in mind that when searching for apps that can help you make money through research, you should be careful of any potential scams that ask for a fee to register. You should avoid these, or inflate the potential rewards. Check out how other people have rated the app and read any reviews they may have left. You can also check with the Better Business Bureau to learn about the company's rating, as well as any complaints that have been filed against it. But before we dive further into it, let me welcome you to Cool Cash Cows. I'm Cool Cash Cow Candace, and here's a big moo-moo to you for joining our Cool Cash Cows community and making money online with us today. Go ahead and punch that subscribe button and ring that bell icon so that you miss out on none of our money-making secrets. Now let's do this. Here are 10 different ways to make money utilizing these applications. 1. Money App. The Money App is a market research application that allows users to earn rewards for completing tasks. These tasks include providing opinions, playing games, checking store displays, performing mystery shopping, testing services, and participating in free trials. The Money App is available for both iOS and Android. You sign up for an account on the Money App and begin performing chores to earn rewards, which you can then exchange for real money by linking your PayPal account to your Money App profile. You can get paid within 2 or 3 working days of redeeming rewards, which is unusual in the world of market research apps, which typically pay once a month or don't offer cash rewards at all. The beauty of this app is that you can get paid so quickly after redeeming rewards that it's almost unheard of. In addition, the application has received a high rating, 4.8 out of 5, on both Google Play and iTunes. 2. iPoll. The iPoll app, which is available for iOS and Android devices, is a customized market research app that enables users to earn money by participating in market surveys, keeping diaries, for example, of the amount of dairy consumed over the course of 3 days, and completing missions centered around retail locations. After registering, you will be asked for some basic information, such as your preferences and consumer habits, in order to determine whether or not you are a good fit for missions. After that, you will receive alerts whenever there are new missions available that are based on your preferences and location. The wonderful thing about this particular software for conducting market research is that it can be personalized. As a result, it notifies you of activities and missions that are appropriate for your interests, and that you might genuinely love doing. On iTunes, iPoll has received a rating of 4 out of 5 stars from users, while on Google Play, it has received a rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. The vast majority of the time, surveys are simple to begin and easy to finish. In addition, they are not overly lengthy. you will receive awards that may be cashed out via PayPal or redeemed for gift cards for completing surveys, missions, or diaries. These rewards can be earned in a variety of different ways. You merely need to have accumulated $10 in order to do so. Another advantage is that you are automatically entered into a sweepstakes with the chance to win $10,000 in cash each quarter. 3. FOAP. FOAP is a money-making program that is available for iOS and Android that enables amateur and professional photographers alike to make additional money selling photographs taken on their mobile devices. It's quite a stroke of brilliance. In its most basic form, it is a crowdsourcing platform that allows companies, as well as advertising and marketing agencies, to search through FOAP's register of more than 2.5 million photographers from all over the world in order to locate and acquire photographs. You start by creating an account, after which you submit high-quality images accompanied by descriptive tags. The photos are then given ratings by the community of registered users. The better the rating, the greater the photo's visibility. You receive $5 for each sale, and each sale gives you the potential to make up to $100 in revenue. There are also things called missions, which are when companies or agencies make particular requests for photographs. And just recently, video production has been a part of those tasks as well. Both Google Play, 4.3 out of 5, and iTunes, 4.3 out of 5, have given the app positive ratings. 4. Fluid Market. Not everyone has access to a vehicle, and even among those of us who do, many of our cars spend the majority of their time parked. The good news is that if you download Fluid Market, an app that is part of the sharing economy and is accessible for both iOS and Android, you will be able to rent out your cargo van, box truck, pickup truck, automobile, or SUV by the hour, the day, or the week. If you rent out your truck through Fluid, the company's website claims that you can make as much as $24,000 annually from doing so. You can also rent out your tools, such as drills, saws, and hedge trimmers. In addition to the items that are classified under the category of Other, which in the past has included an assortment of products, such as platform shoes, a rowboat, and a tandem two-person cycle, the app has a positive reputation among its users. On iTunes, it has a rating of 4.5 stars out of 5, whereas Google Play only gives it 3.5 stars. The process of renting vehicles has been designed to be as hassle-free as possible for both parties. It is possible for you, the renter, to install a lockbox on your vehicle. This will allow you to rent out your car without having to be physically there to hand over the keys to your vehicle. 5. Swag Bucks. When you sign up with Swag Bucks, which is accessible for both iOS and Android, you immediately become eligible for a $10 sign-up bonus, which enables you to begin earning money. You may rack up points on the standard market research app by filling out questionnaires, doing your shopping online, or playing games. These are all activities that can be done while waiting in line or while you have some spare time during your commute. Additionally, you can rack up points by watching video content. On both iTunes and Google Play, the Swag Bucks app has received a rating of 4 stars out of 5. Does this app come with any perks? Swag Bucks, in contrast to other market research applications that aggregate polls from third parties, provides a large number of possibilities to participate in surveys, which in turn leads to an increased number of opportunities to earn cash. It is important to bear in mind that even if there are numerous chances for surveys, you may not be eligible to participate in some of them because of the demographics that you provide. Another advantage of using Swag Bucks is that you can exchange your points for gift cards or cash back through PayPal. The minimum number of points required to cash out is 2,500, which is equivalent to $25. Users have a generally positive opinion of the app. 6. SlideJoy. SlideJoy is an app that rewards users for sharing their lock screens and is available on Google Play. After you have it loaded on your phone, the lock screen will begin to display a variety of advertisements, some of which will have news or marketers. Swiping left will take you to the previous screen. Swiping up will take you to more advertisements. And swiping right will take you back to the home screen. The good news is that you are able to make passive revenue regardless of whether or not you engage with the advertising. Just think about how many times a day you have to unlock your phone in order to access it. You had the option to participate in other activities within the app, such as surveys, in order to increase the amount of money you earned. You have the option of having your earnings sent to you via Square Cash or PayPal. Or you can give them to a charitable organization instead. The caveat is that after you join up for the service for the first time, you won't be able to withdraw your money for around 3 months. After that, it is a cash out payout on a monthly basis. On Google Play, it has received a rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars, which is an extremely respectable score. 7. Book Scouter. Through the use of the Book Scouter app, you will have the opportunity to make money by selling both new and used books. The registration process is simple after you have downloaded the application using your email address, or through Facebook or other social networks. The next step is to begin scanning book barcodes using the camera on your phone, at which point you will see an aggregate of buyback prices from various book buyers, with the highest buyer positioned at the top. There is no fee for shipping. On iTunes, 3.3 out of 5, reviewers have given Book Scouter their recommendations, while on Google Play, 4.5 out of 5, reviewers have given Book Scouter their approval. Keep in mind, however, that not all of the books that are scanned will create pricing codes, and when you follow up on some of the offers to buy your books, some of those offers will disappear. 8. Toluna. Toluna, a market research app that is available for both iOS and Android, stands out from the crowd because users can get paid in cash via PayPal, and also the app offers rewards for more than just taking surveys. You can also create your own surveys. For example, based on current events, shampoo habits, or opinion on latest tech gadget that can earn you bonus points. In addition, the app offers rewards for more than just taking surveys. To sign up for Toluna is not difficult, and in order to get a sense of how you may make the most out of the app, you can watch a webinar that demonstrates several ways in which you can maximize its potential. On iTunes, the app has received a rating of 3.8 stars out of 5, while on Google Play, it has received 3.3 stars out of 5. 9. User Feel. You can take part in usability tests by downloading the User Feel app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices. This means that you can earn money by visiting and exploring new websites, carrying out a variety of straightforward tasks on the site, and providing recorded feedback and critiques. You will receive $10 in cash via PayPal or Payoneer for each test that you take, and each test will run between 10 and 20 minutes. The fact that you must first complete a qualifications test during which the app records both your voice and your screen activity as you proceed through a series of predetermined activities is one of the program's most notable features. This is a practice run for what you will eventually be responsible for, but it is unpaid and designed not just to determine whether or not the application is functioning properly, but also to provide you with a score from the user feel team. The higher your overall score is, the greater the number of tests that will be given to you. On Google Play, the app received a rating of 3.2 out of 5. Some of the reviews claimed that the app crashed when the user was trying to upload the test video. Nevertheless, the support team for user feel was quick to respond and try to remedy any problems that were encountered. 10. Musical.ly. Musical.ly is an online community and marketplace app for eco-friendly beauty and home items. It is also a social platform for women to share and receive healthy lifestyle advice and suggestions spanning from parenting to skincare to exercise. The app is available for iOS and Android. You can do your shopping for organic products, up-and-coming brands, and eco-friendly goods on Musical.ly. Some examples of these products include toxin-free nail polish and all-natural lipstick. Becoming a muse on the site, which is essentially the same thing as being an influencer, is the way to make money using the application. If you create your own store, you will earn a commission of 20% on any sales of products that you recommend. The 1st and 15th of every month are set aside for payouts by default on Musical.ly. Both iTunes, 4.7 out of 5, and Google Play, 4.5 out of 5, have given the mobile application high ratings. For our top secret money-making app, click the Secret Million Bot link in the description below. For more money-making secrets, click the video on the screen now.